35 degrees and we're gonna throw hot water in the air. Yeah! Wish me luck! And I know you're excited to hit that like button and subscribe because on this channel, we have fun, we experiment, and we make things. Woohoo! Please subscribe. Here we go! Oh, mama, I gotta get me one of these. It's now time for the waiting game.
Boil, 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 boil. Ah, I can't wait any longer. Ah, let's just get out there. Oh my gosh, here we go. I am honestly so excited for my first attempt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw it over the deck to see what kind of effect it has. And then I'm going to take that information to have fun with it and see what I can do.
Fire in the hole! Whoa! That is so cool. Whoa, it's still going. This is crazy. Can we like slow it down to see the drift? Let's try another one. Whoa! Hey, catch! Now that was fun. Frying pans full of hot water. Who knew? Right? Hey, let's try throwing it over our head. The classic. 1, 2, 3! Woohoo! Whoa! Check this out!
Guess what? The sun just came out. Here we go.
Let's see if we can get one more before it gets too warm. Come on, come on! Woohoo! Now that's what I'm talking about. I feel like I'm in action. Ching!
Overall, I have to say that's the best way to start the day yet.
It's still going! So when life gives you below -30 degrees, and you probably have a frozen heart, get out your frying pan and throw up some boiling water.
And I can't wait to see you on the next ALLtheRageSAGE adventure! Woo woo!
Let me know if you've done this in the comments down below, or if you want to see anything. Finally,
Don't forget to like this, subscribe, and if you want to follow me, you can follow me on my Instagram account.
and Facebook account.